Guys, so we just checked in at Waldorf Astoria Costa Rica, Punta Cacique. On check-in, the first two things, 2 coconuts, super cold, very, very juicy, delicious.
We also got some fresh face towels, and that was very much needed for this extremely humid climate.
The room here is incredible. First off, as soon as you enter, we're celebrating our anniversary. So we got 2 big queen beds, all kinds of decorations. The next thing that grabbed our eyes right away is the dessert that they left us for this incredible celebration. Shout out to Risa for writing this. Really, really appreciate it. Thank you so much. You have not just a coffee machine, but also a kettle if you want to make some tea. Over here we have the pods for the coffee machine, and this is definitely not included in your room. So any of this stuff is extra charge. The M&Ms, for example, $8. If you want it, you can pay for it. Next up, I'll show you what's important. Not what I expected. I was hoping for a bidet. His and hers sink. Really, really beautiful. Not 1, but 2 rain showers. Moving along, for the next part is the view. We checked in super late at night. So hang tight, and I'll show you this tomorrow morning.
Okay, so here's exactly how we booked the Waldorf Astoria Punta Cacique. So step 1 is we started by searching for the property. In this case, we knew we wanted to stay at the Waldorf Astoria that was brand new in Costa Rica, and this property had not even opened yet. Step 2 is we plugged in the month and dates that we wanted to travel. And step 3, once the calendar popped up with the cash rates, which, wow, we switched over using that little button on the top to compare your points rate versus the cash rate. Step 4, which is now the fun part, compare the total cost of your stay in cash with the total in points. And for us, this difference is wild, and especially for a luxury hotel. Step 5, once we saw that we could book the entire stay for points, we locked it in immediately.
So sunny. It's barely 7 a.m. Look at this view behind us. As usual, time for our favorite part of the day. Breakfast. We'll be taking you guys with us today on everything we do here and outside the Waldorf, so stay tuned. Hey guys, so part of the being at the Waldorf Astoria in Costa Rica, you get the continental buffet included for free since you're a diamond member. Part of breakfast, they also serve some of the authentic Costa Rican food. So over here we got the canelas, which is this round little thing made out of maize, and it's got some cheese inside. And then we got these little circles. I forgot honestly what it's called, but it's also made out of maize and cheese. I'd like to give it a try.
It looks like a calamari. It tastes exactly like the ingredients, corn and cheese.
It's called rosquilla. Thank you all. I appreciate it. Rosquilla. Day 3 here, we're having breakfast at the same place, Tico Tica. And today we decided to start off with 2 coconuts. We also got some fresh orange juice with carrot juice and also some fresh tamarind, which is one of the local things they have here.
The fruit here never disappoints. Piña always, papaya always, and watermelon. And guys, hello, look at this. It's so cute. Look at how big this banana is.
The best part about the breakfast here isn't just the buffet that comes included with it, but you can also order your own eggs, your own way, your own style, whether you want an omelet, over easy, poached eggs, any kind of eggs. They'll make it to order, and you can order any sides that you want, whether it's sausage, bacon, French toast, anything else. Also woke up a little stuffy today, so I wanted a ginger shot, and they ended up getting me a ginger shot. Cheers. This is the cleanest ginger shot ever. That's the smell of something that's been fermenting for a long time.
Wow, July 16th.
Will I try a little bit or with kombucha?
Yes, she's been wanting to try it so bad. She has to try it. Guys, my wife cannot wait to try the kombucha here. She's been dying to try it. Yeah.
Wow.
It's really good for your gut health, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh wow. Oh my god. So strong. Sorry. I was not expecting it to like go into my nose.
Over seconds. She liked it.
The taste is actually incredible. It's really
This is good.
I know.
Yeah.
Pistachio, with a little bit of dulce de leche. Oh, darling. Cheers.
What's happening? Alright guys, if you come to Copo y Cono, the one person you must ask for is Sophia, because look how the ice cream is gonna come out.
Yeah.
Like this. So if you're here, ask for Sophia.
Also get all of these toppings included in any ice cream purchase that you do.
Best chocolate ever. And all the toppings.
There you go. It is, guys. Bread and butter time. I love dinner here.
Alrighty guys, so we're here at La Finca, and we started off with the scallop from the appetizer.
This is scallop wrapped in cucumber, wrapped in mango, with a passion fruit sauce that the chef himself made from scratch. So I'm just ready to give this a good inhale.
It's white.
Wow. Wow.
Alright guys, so I got the short ribs that have been braised for 12 hours.
I don't remember, but it's pasta. I think so. It's a stuffed pasta. Oh my god, dude, look at this. Stuffed pasta with lobster and like literal lobster pieces all throughout the dish. Wow. Wow. Oh my god. You see that?
Alright, it's time to try these short ribs. Here we go. I have no words. If you come to La Finca, this is a must-try dish. No questions asked. Short ribs. Alright guys, so just to remind ourselves again, I got the 9-ounce balsamic honey braised Wagyu short ribs. And my wife, she got the angelote de mare, which is the stuffed pasta with roasted Pacific lobster cream infused with lemon zest, some thyme, and tomato sauce.
That was one of the best short ribs I've ever had in my life. 9.5 out of 10.
I agree. 9.5 out of 10. Service, food,
Phenomenal.
vibes,
Like the word to describe
Everything.
it is phenomenal.
phenomenal. Nothing less.
Yeah.
We're out here with Alejandra at Waldorf Astoria Costa Rica, Punta Cacique. Did I say that right?
Yes.
All right. And she said this Peacock Alley is built different, so we're about to check it out.
Welcome to Peacock Alley, guys.
So fancy. Wallpaper is incredible. Everything in here is like an emerald green or gold. I'm cold and sleepy. The waterfall really took a lot out of me today.
We are at Tico Tica, so this is the same place that we have breakfast at in the mornings. For dinners, we're actually going to be paying using also our Hilton credit card, which covers about $200 every 6 months. We get credit, so $400 a year. The credit has to be used at a Waldorf Astoria or Conrad. Tico Tica is amazing for breakfast. Can't wait to try it for dinner. Alrighty, so as usual, we gotta start with the butter and bread. My queen's favorite.
I love it. I'm ready to dig in.
Alright, let's dig in. Alrighty guys, so I got the red snapper and I didn't know what kind of treat I was in for. Check it out. Crazy fish. Looks and smells amazing. What did you get, my love?
I got the prawn patacones. Patacones is like a typical Costa Rican food where it's like a plantain that's fried. It could be in the shape of a cup. It could be just like a flat kind of like pastry with 4 prawns, an amazing sauce I just can't wait to dig into, and some potatoes on the side. For more casual small plate meals at the terrace in the Waldorf Astoria, we loved everything that we tried. We also recommend going off-site from Waldorf Astoria to go to some surprisingly easy and incredibly rewarding neighboring locations. We tried Father Rooster for a beachfront laid-back vibe, Niri at the Ritz-Carlton for an elevated coastal-inspired drinks before dinner, Nemare at the Four Seasons for a high-end wood-fired steakhouse experience, and finally, Casita de Mariscos, a super local, ultra-casual seafood spot. Each place offered something totally different and made leaving the property absolutely worth it.
Came back to our room and to our surprise, noticing something that happens every day around 5 p.m. Happy hour, but in your own room. They come and set up these 2 beers made specifically only for the Waldorf in Costa Rica. It's wild. I'm gonna get you some chips and a different kind of salsa or a different kind of sauce that you can dip the chips in. Check it out.
Never would I have thought to eat hummus with a tortilla chip. They know something, because they did this.
Let me know.
Came to just pick up like the 10-pound reeds. Everything's in kilos. So it was like double, and I was like, wow, I haven't worked out in a while.
Alrighty guys, so next on our list we got stretching class.
The spa at the Waldorf Astoria Punta Cacique has several features that really set it apart. The thermal circuit is extensive, with a sauna, steam room, cold plunge, and multiple hydrotherapy pools. It's designed so you can move through each space at your own pace. 2 of the most unique areas that we saw were the sun and the moon rooms. These are both dedicated spaces for pre- and post-treatment relaxation that use light, temperature, and sound to create a completely different atmosphere. We even got a chance to look at the birds within a book that tell us something about our future. The spa also incorporates honey from its native stingless bees, which they harvest on site. They actually use that honey in select treatments for their anti-inflammatory and skin-soothing properties. Combined, this place had a bunch of details that make the Waldorf Astoria spa not just relaxing, but genuinely distinctive and rooted in the local environment.
That is amazing. Wow.
I've never seen anything like that.
Yeah.
The Waldorf was also pretty awesome in that they always had multiple activities to do throughout the day. They pack in some free snorkeling that you're able to do, and they provide you all the gear. We also were able to get in touch with an awesome tour to do some jet skiing around the property. Guys, I've never jet skied before, but I can tell you this, it was incredibly awesome. The views were amazing, and nobody tells you this, but it's a full-on finger workout because there's no brakes on this thing.
We just had our last sunset at the Waldorf Astoria in Costa Rica, and it was absolutely incredible. Wifey ain't happy about it, but you know,
I'm pissed that we're leaving.
Reality hits. We gotta go back to work tomorrow.
That's such a beautiful ending to such an incredible stay at the Waldorf.
We hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you like this video, make sure to leave a like,
share, and subscribe, and leave a comment down below about your favorite part of Costa Rica
and your favorite part of our video. We'll see you in the next episode. Peace. Watch out.
Pura vida, baby.
Pura vida.
Pura vida.
Groovy, baby. ¿Cuál es su nombre? Alright, so we're gonna do another race. I'm gonna smoke them this time. Last time I kind of let it get a little close, but just watch Liv, because she's gonna be all the way in the back.
Alrighty guys, next up.
Adults only pool.
And look who we found. Two adults.
Bunch of kids.
I know I should be in the teens club, but I snuck out.
Yo, family, y'all ready to go home?
I'm not ready to go home.